students, good morning. In previous lecture already we discussed about galvanic cell. Okay, what do you mean by galvanic cell? Understand? And what is electrochemistry? Okay, and other more. So already we discussed in previous class. Okay, just you know about what do you mean by galvanic cell? Galvanic cell is also known as voltaic cell. You know about what is galvanic cell? The galvanic cell means what? The cell which convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Okay, that's process. Okay, that cell which convert chemical energy into electrical energy, that is known as galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Okay, and you know about the potential difference between the two electrodes. The two electrodes given there na, already we discussed na, the potential difference between two electrodes. दोनों के बीच में क्या है? What is the potential difference of galvanic cell? It's called the cell potential. You know about na? Cell potential means what? There is a two. You know about na? There is a two cells. This is a two beakers. Also in first there is the first electrode. Okay. You know about na? This is the zinc electrode and this is the copper. You know about na? This is the anode. Okay. This is the cathode. Already we discussed in previous class. So this is the two electrode. There is the how many electrode? There is the two electrodes. Already know about na? Potential difference. What is the difference? Potential difference. Cell difference. Okay. So both have how many charge? Okay, which have the capacity to greatest charge. That's you know about na. Anode carry negative charge. Okay, why? Because anode carry negative charge. Because why? Zinc this is the zinc solution in this beaker. Okay, ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. Understand? So zinc sulfate in this beaker. Okay, just like a see here. Already we discussed about in previous class. Okay, just like a see here. Understand? Here, see here na, what is given there? You already know about in this case. Already we discussed about in previous class. This is the zinc electrode and carry negative anode electrode. This is the cathode. Okay, which carry positive. So why this carry negative electrode anode? Because you know about zinc have which solution here? Zinc sulfate. Okay, so zinc have it's lose two electron it's lose. Then what happen? Its electron and charges are separation of the charges from solution to electrode, this electrode. So these electrodes carry negative charge, which carry this electrode carry which charge? Negative charge. Understand? Okay, so here क्या negative, it's accept the negative because here is what? Positive. So it's carry the positive charge from the solution. Solution से क्या करता है? Carry करता है, gain करता है okay, sorry, ये जिंक इलेक्ट्रॉन है, जिंक क्या करता है? ये लूज, तो लूज करेगा, सॉरी ये क्या करेगा? जिंक हैव ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज यार. यू नो अबाउट ना, टू इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज. तो आफ्टर लूजिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो इट्स सॉल्यूशन इज कैरी पॉजिटिव. तो सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. बट इट्स इलेक्ट्रोड कैरी नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? ओनली लेफ्ट द नेगेटिव चार्ज. ओके, इन केस ऑफ सेवन द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द कॉपर सल्फेट. यू नो अबाउट ना, कॉपर कंटेन व्हाट? इट्स कंटेन gain the two electrons. Okay, so it's lose the electrons into the solution. So here what is left? Only after it losing the negative charge, then carry what? Here is carry positive charge, left only positive charge, and their solution becomes negative. Okay, here solution becomes positive and solution becomes negative. So its electrodes are what? Positive charge. Copper electrodes carry positive charge. You know about na? And zinc electrode carry negative charge. Understand? Okay, so this is the right and this is the left. You know about na? So this is the potential difference. Potential difference मतलब दोनों के बीच क्या है difference? What is the difference? Difference between the two electrodes. Okay, तो already discussed in previous class. So already we discussed about na that. तो two electrodes of galvanic cell is called the cell potential and is measured in volts. और किस measure किया जाता है? In volts. The cell potential difference between the two electrode potential. Okay, two electrode potential you about na. ठीक है, reduction potential. Okay, cathode and anode. What is the cell difference? कितना charge का difference? What is the main charge difference? So it is called the cell electromotive force. Which measure the cell electrode potential. क्या how many difference between the reduction half cell and anode half cell. Reduction and oxidation. Okay, तो measure by the this cathode and anode तो measure by a force that is known as cell electromotive force, EMF. Okay, just like you see here. This is the cell potential difference. So E cell equal to what? E right minus E left. Right means you know about now what? Right means cathode. Okay, that's your C now. Okay, right means cathode, just like copper, and left means zinc, anode. Okay, so this is the cell. Okay, cell difference. I also consider potential difference. So also we discussed in previous class what is cathode, what is anode. A galvanic cell is represented generally in the putting vertical line between the metal and the two electrolytes connected and the salt bridge. You know about now. This is a representation of how can you represent the, just like a C here. Suppose that here is the Cu. Okay, already discussed. After it's what? Losing, sorry, gain 2 electrons. Then what happens? Sorry, it's Cu2 plus carry, Cu2 plus Y. After it's losing the 2 electrons. Okay, so this is the vertical lines which separated the charge. Okay, after the losing of electrons, and this is the two lines, vertical lines. This is known as salt bridge, which protect the separation of the two different charges. Okay, anode and cathode. Okay, this is anode and this is cathode. Cathode you know about Ag plus. After it gains the electron, then it forms Ag. So this is behaves like a cathode. You know about now oxidation, lose of electron, that is oxidation, gain of electron, reduction. तो ऑक्सीडेशन क्या करता है? ऑपरेशन कैरी, दैट इज एनोड. ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स एनोड एंड रिडक्शन मीन्स कैथोड. यू नो अबाउट ना, ऑलरेडी वी डिस्कस. तो हियर इज द गिवन देयर ई सेल इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस ई सेल? तो ई राइट माइनस ई लेफ्ट. ओके, जस्ट लाइक गिवन देयर. हियर सी द एग्जांपल. सेल डिफरेंस गिवन, कॉपर, सिल्वर. ओके, copper solid, aqueous. After the copper, what happened? Here is how many charges? 2 plus aqueous. Why this carry 2 plus? Because it's okay, 2 electron lose. After copper losing the 2 electron, then it form Cu2 plus. But in case of Ag plus, okay, 2 moles of Ag. Why it's carry only solid form? Because it's 1 electron gain, then it's form Ag. Do you know about now which is oxidation, which carry reduction? This see here. Cathode reduction and anode. You know about now? Reduction means क्या? Cathode. Oxidation means anode. So 2Ag. You know about now? After it's getting the 2 electrons, then it's form क्या? 2Ag. Okay, it's losing the 2 electron, then it's form anode, that is oxidation. Understand? So this is the representation of cell. Just like you know about now, how can you represent the galvanic cell या voltaic cell? So see here, this is the representation of the cell. There is the sun, Cu. After it's losing 2 electrons, then it becomes Cu2 plus aqueous. Here is the vertical lines. Here is the two vertical lines. This is known as salt bridge. You know about no salt bridge? Okay. You know about no salt bridge? What is salt bridge? All you know about. The salt bridge is used to maintain the charge balance. Okay, to complete the circuit. This is maintain the charge balance. This is then you know about the charge balance to maintain the complete circuit. ये चार्ज का बैलेंस को क्या करता है? दिस इज बैलेंसिंग द चार्ज इन बोथ द इलेक्ट्रोड बोथ इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल. Okay, cathode and anode and cathode. Understand? Sorry, anode and cathode. Yes. Okay, so this is the salt bridge. Then after Ag plus, after getting electron, then it's from Ag solid. Okay, so this is the electrode potential. That means E cell equal to E right minus E left. Left right क्या है? तो right means क्या? Carry cathode. Cathode कौन carry कर रहा है? This is carry cathode. Ag plus, after gaining the electron, then it's from Ag, and this is the anode. After it's lose the 2 electron, then it's from 2U plus losing the electrons. Okay, so Cu2 plus Cu. So it carry what? Cathode minus anode. Okay, this is the cell potential. Understand? Also we can measure that. How can you say that? Cell, the potential of individual half cell cannot be measured. ठीक है, half cell cannot be measured. We can measure only the difference between the two half cell. We can measure only the two half cell. What is the cell difference? Okay, gives the EMF of the cell. If we arbitrarily choose the potential of one electrode half cell, that of other can determine with respective in this according to convention. Convention means you know what? Sign convention. What is their sign convention? Just like you know what? It's carry what? Negative charge na? Negative terminals. Which carry negative? Anode carry negative terminal and cathode carry positive terminals. You know about na? Also we can say that what? A half cell called the standard hydrogen electrode. A half cell, just like a half cell you know about na? This is the half cell. Which is half cell? Just like you know about na? Cathode half, reduction half cell. Okay, oxidation half cell. So this is known as what? This is depending on the mainly electrode, hydrogen electrode. Okay, a standard hydrogen electrode. What do you mean by a standard hydrogen electrode? See here, SHE. Okay, this is the figure of SHE, measurement of electrode potential. How can you measurement of electrode potential? So you know about the SHE. SHE means क्या? Standard hydrogen electrode potential. SHE. Okay. S means standard hydrogen electrode potential. Standard hydrogen electrode potential. Okay, SHE. Okay. The SHE means about na कि it may be defined as the electrode potential of an electrode determined relative to a standard hydrogen electrode. What is the standard hydrogen electrode? Okay, standard hydrogen electrode you know about na, that is form of the gaseous form. Okay, and this is the taken in condition. Okay, for a standard hydrogen electrode potential, it gives a some condition for a standard hydrogen electrode. पहला क्या है? What is the first condition? कि 1 molar concentration of each in ion in the solution. क्या होगा? In the solution क्या होगा? 1 molar. 1 molar means क्या? 1 mole per liter. 1 molar means 1 mole per liter. Okay, this is the known as 1 molar. Yeah, 1 molar conditions. Standard hydrogen electrode potential, SHE. Okay, a temperature of 298 Kelvin. And what is the temperature? This is the concentration ki 1 molar solution, okay, occur in the solution. And temperature, what is the temperature? At 298 Kelvin. Okay, this is the condition. And what is the pressure? 1 atm. Yeah, 1 bar also you can say that. Pressure equal to 1 atm. Yeah, 1 bar. 1 atm, yeah, 1 bar. So see here, given the what? Standard hydrogen electrode potential. See the figures. What is given there? This is the a tubes given there. From here, this is the source of hydrogen gas which passes through inside the tube. Okay, you know about na? At 1 bar pressure. Okay, 1 atm pressure. Okay, till the passing through the gas, through this tube. And here is the conducting materials. You know about na? Which conducting material? This is the na finely divided platinum coated or platinum foil. Understand? Platinum coated foil. Understand? And here is the 1 molar of hydrogen concentration solution. You know about na? So 1 molar hydrogen solution. Okay, 1 molar means kya? H plus. H plus means kya? Also be taken HCl, because HCl H plus contain carry. So HCl solution also we can say that 1 molar means 1 mole per liter. Understand? So this carry the solution of HCl, 1 molar of HCl. Then it's carry kya? This is the dividing when hydrogen gas passed through the tube. Then platinum foil, what? Platinum divided the what is the function of platinum coated? So this main function of the platinum foil is conduction of electricity, okay, through the gas and this solution, because here is the passing of hydrogen gas and there is the HCl, H plus solution, H plus ion. Okay, so finally they occur the here. What is given there? There is the okay. So yeah. In this case, according to convention, a half cell called the standard hydrogen electrode. Half cell, you know about na? Just given there half cell. Okay, represented by you know about na platinum electrode, and finally which kya hai? Conduction between the conduction of electricity between the H plus ion and the hydrogen gas passed. Okay, this is the representation of the cell H2. Then it's form what's form? H2 gas. Okay, formation of H plus after the gaining electron, then it's form hydrogen gas. Okay, and you know about the hydrogen gas passing. Okay, after the we are moving hydrogen gas, then it's conduct the electricity between the 1 molar solution of HCl, okay, and gas, between the gas. Understand? So this is represented here. Okay, zero potential at all temperature except after the H plus aqueous form. You know about aqueous form. After gaining the electron, then it form half H2. Okay, half molecule of hydrogen gas. Understand? So the standard hydrogen electrode consists of a platinum electrode coated with the platinum black. You know what? Given there in the figure, already we discussed about all these things. Okay, pure hydrogen gas is bubbled through it. Pure hydrogen after the passing, then yeah, here is the bubbling of what? Hydrogen gas. Okay, pure hydrogen gas. Understand? and then is H plus aqueous form. After gaining the electron, then it's form what? Half H2, that is released from the this solution. Okay, here the H plus. After H plus क्या? After gaining the electron, then it's form half H2 removed, released. So the concentration of both the reduced and oxidized forms of hydrogen is maintained at unity. Both maintain what? Unity. Unity means one. Both. Okay, aqueous and a gaseous form. Understand? So this implies that क्या? Pressure of hydrogen gas in 1 bar atm, concentration of hydrogen ion the solution in 1 molar. क्या है? कि there is the condition for SHE, है ना? There is the condition. Just we discussed ने. What is the condition? कि there is the 1 molar of solution also contained. Here is the how many molar of solution? 1 molar. 1 molar means you know about ना? 1 mole per liter. ठीक है, 1 mole per liter. Per liter में क्या? How many moles? 1 mole of solution. Okay, and at 298. Temperature equal to how many? 298 Kelvin. Okay, and what is this? And pressure equal to 1 atm. P equal to how many? 1 atm. 1 atm is 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, so this is the given here for the finally electrode potential, that is SHE. C means hydrogen electrode potential. So this is given there already. External hydrogen electrode potential, second half cell constructed by taking external hydrogen electron. Okay, already we given there. Just we discuss. So for representing the concentration of oxidized, you know about now which are oxidation? Reduced form of the species, right hand cell. Okay, this is given there. Which are oxidation, which are reduction carry there. You know about now? Just like a air, right minus left. Right means क्या? Cathode. Cathode means क्या? Which process the reduction. And left means anode, which carry the what? Oxidation. Okay, oxidize and reduce. You know about already we discussed in previous lecture. So E left, you know what now? E minus left equal to what is? E left means external hydrogen electron is 0 in case of the E left. E left means in case of oxidation. Okay, when oxidation carries that's क्या? कि hydrogen electron is 0. Okay, after the oxidation it's oxidation means क्या? After losing the electrons. Understand? Then it becomes SHE 0. तो what is E? E degree cell. तो ER, okay, ER minus 0. L क्या है? 0 हो गया. Then क्या? What is becomes only left? ER reduction. Sorry, right means क्या? Cathode. The measured EMF of the cell given there ना, measured EMF of the cell, how can you measure? Platinum solid, H2 gas 1 bar pressure, you know about ना. After क्या है? H plus 1 molar solution. Okay, then it becomes Cu2 plus. This is the salt bridge. Understand? 1 atm and form Cu. Okay, Cu. Understand? So Cu2 plus Cu. You know about now, after the gaining 2 electron, then it become Cu. Means this act as what? This is act as here copper act as which types? The copper act as here what? Cathode. Okay, that means reduction because it's carry 2 electrons, then it becomes Cu. But here in case of what? H2 gas. Okay, then it's form H plus. H plus means lose the electron, that it behaves like a oxidation. Hydrogen here behaves like a oxidation. Okay, oxidize here in this case. Because why? Because H2 gas becomes H plus means क्या है? It's losing the electron ना. H plus losing the electron, then it's become H2 gas. So this is oxidation. That means anode. Okay, just like see here. Okay, external electrode potential half cell Cu2 plus after getting 2 electron from Co. In case of the so similarly EMF of the cell measure in the same type, just like Zn2 plus. Okay, this is after the getting the 2 electron, then it form zinc. This is the also behave act like a cathode. Cathode means reductions. You know about now? Okay. So also we can say that the positive value of the external electrode potential in the first case indicates that Cu2 plus get reduced. Cu क्या हुआ? Reduced more easily than hydrogen ions. The reverse process cannot occur. तो इसमें क्या है? Reverse process नहीं हुआ, move किया. So that is hydrogen ions cannot oxidize. Okay. So you alternatively we can say that hydrogen gas can reduce copper ion. Okay, here is given there all these things. तो the Cu does not dissolve in HCl. मतलब Cu क्या है? HCl में dissolve नहीं था. Only there is only H plus ion there. H2SO4 या HCl, anything. Okay, H plus is needed there. Yeah, HCl also. Okay, in nitric acid, it is oxidized by nitrate ion and not by hydrogen ion. नाइट्रिक एसिड यू नो अबाउट ना HNO3, ओके, यहाँ क्या H प्लस एंड NO3 माइनस, यू नो अबाउट ना H प्लस, okay, it's gaining the electron, then it's from H plus, and this is the reduced, okay, one is oxidized, one is reduced, you know about na, okay. So negative value of external electron potential, the second case, indicates the hydrogen ions can oxidize, you know about na, understand, and other is reduced, or zinc can reduce hydrogen ions, also we can say that. Hydrogen ions means क्या, proton. Hydrogen ions means क्या कि H plus act as both acid and base. Acid and base means act as both protons. It also behaves like a proton, okay, understand. H plus means H plus behaves like a both acidic and basic, understand. Means क्या, just like a, also we can say that H plus behaves like a here in case of proton, just like you know about now. Here is the left side, left electrode, zinc, okay, then it becomes Zn2 plus. मतलब what is given there कि Zn2 plus becomes means क्या, losing the electrons, 2 electron, there is क्या हो रहा है, electrode means oxidation here, right electrode है ना copper, after gaining the electron then it forms Cu, means क्या, this is acted, right means क्या, cathode, you know about ना. तो what is the overall reaction, this is the overall reaction, understand. Zinc carry क्या, anode, and copper act as what, cathode, you know about ना, lose of electron oxidation, gain of electron reduction, okay. तो that case is occur also here. So EM of the cell is what, E degree cell equal to potential difference ER minus EL. R means right means what, cathode, okay, cathode means copper, and L means left means zinc, क्या है, anode, okay. तो given in the table, okay, their value, okay, then it's carry what, 1.10 volt. This is the E cell, E degree cell, their cell potential, ये EM of the cell. EM of the cell क्या, measuring of the potential difference कि what is the exact, what is the magnitude of the between two है ना, two electrode potential, cathode or anode, understand. What is their voltage, how many voltage, what is the difference, okay, in their voltage, okay. So this is the है ना for, this is the for cathode. Cathode means copper, copper act like cathode ना, and anode carry which, zinc. तो 0.34 volt given there, see the है ना table, in table all given there, all values. So you have to first learn in the table, see here, where is it, see you copper na, see the copper, okay, copper table, and then after the zinc, see the table, where is the copper, where is here, see in this case what is given there, copper after gaining the 2 electron, then it form copper solid. What is their electrode potential, what is their volt, how many voltage applied, 0.34 volt given there na. In that equation also we have to put that value, their voltage, okay. Voltage means क्या, E degree value, okay. And in case of the zinc, where the zinc, you know what they say, here is the zinc, here is the zinc, you know what na, Zn2 plus 2 electron, there is from zinc, okay, it's behalf side both, okay. Then what is that their electrode potential, minus 0.76, okay. So this value you have to put down here in this equation, okay. Then we have to becomes what, 1.4 here, understand. So you have to first learn what is their electrode potential, what is their value of, okay, each element, each metals, okay, which carry act as like anode या cathode, understand. You know about ना, depending on their number of, okay, electrons, how many number of electrons lose or gain, understand. So some like metals, platinum, you know about ना, platinum or gold are used as an inert electrode. Inert electrode, you know about ना, inert, you know about inert gases, just like a है ना what, helium, argon, neon, krypton, 18 group of element, that is also inert है ना, inert gas. So it act like a inert है ना, inert electrode, understand. Inert means क्या, which don't, inert means which don't oxidize या reduce, मतलब क्या, don't है ना react to another. So they don't participate in the reaction, okay, but provide their surface है ना for oxidation or reduction reactants. ये पार्ट है ना don't take part in the reaction, reaction में participate नहीं करते हैं, but it's है ना given behaves like oxidation or reduction for the conduction of electrons, okay. ये mainly क्या वर्क है इनका कि मेन वर्क इज देयर फॉर द है ना इनर्ट इलेक्ट्रोड्स कि फॉर कंडक्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिटवीन द टू है ना aqueous सॉल्यूशन, जस्ट लाइक यू नो अबाउट ना कि प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड, what is the function of platinum electrode? The main here function of the platinum electrode is conduction of electricity between the hydrogen gas, okay, and the here is the H plus ion, hydrogen aqueous. Okay, so this is the main function of the platinum is conduction of electricity. See here na, half part is the inside the tube and half part is outer the tube in the solution, dipped into the solution. So this is the main function of inert electrodes, platinum, gold. Okay, understand? Okay, in this way also we can say that kya, what do you say about that things? Ki don't participate, you know about na, ki just like a hydrogen electrode, see here, platinum H2 after it becomes H plus. Okay, so with half cell reaction, you know about, after it's gaining the electron, then it's become half H2, means kya, it acts as what, cathode after gaining electrode na, in bromine electrode. Okay, in case of bromine, ठीक है, Br2 form Br minus. This is the case of what? So different electron है ना, act as different. Understand? Just like a half cell of bromine, half Br2 after gaining the electron, then it's Br minus aqueous. So in this way है ना, this shows that okay, what is the standard electrode है ना, how many cell, how many just है ना, they carry how है ना, which electrode potential carry the anode, act as anode, and which carry act as cathode. So this is the case of mainly है ना SHE. SHE means standard hydrogen electrode, and mainly depending on the hydrogen ions. Okay, कि how many electrons they lose, okay, proton lose या gain. Understand? All these things given. जैसे यहाँ given there ना कि hydrogen electrode potential are very important and we can extract a lot of useful information from them. We can है ना a lot of information. The values of standard electrode potential are some selected half cell reduction given in the table. ये table दिया हुआ है ना, that is so important. Okay, the standard electrode potential of an electrode greater than 0, then it is reduced. क्या होगा कि the external electrode potential of an electrode, किसी भी इलेक्ट्रोड का क्या होगा, external electrode potential greater than 0, और 0 से ग्रेटर है, जैसे Cu प्लस है, इसका क्या है 0 से अगर ग्रेटर है तो क्या होगा, व्हाट इज गेन, देन इट्स रिड्यूस्ड. क्या होगा, वो रिड्यूस होगा. ओके, क्या होगा, रिड्यूस्ड. इफ इज मोर स्टेबल कंपेयर टू हाइड्रोजन गैस. सिमिलरली इफ द एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल इज नेगेटिव, देन है ना, देन हाइड्रोजन गैस इज मोर स्टेबल, देन क्या होगा आपका, रिड्यूस फ्रॉम अप स्पेसीज. क्या होगा आपका, रिड्यूस. 0 से क्या ग्रेटर है तो रिड्यूस होगा, 0 से अगर लेस है वैल्यू तो क्या होगा, ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. जस्ट लाइक सी है ना, सी द टेबल गिवन इन द टेबल. ऑल दिस केस इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल गिवन देयर ना, देयर क्या है, 0 से क्या है, ग्रेटर है ना, तो ग्रेटर है में से क्या होगा, ये रिड्यूस्ड. ऑल रिड्यूस 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 रिड्यूस, क्योंकि क्या है, सारा ऑल आर है ना पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, मीन्स क्या है, ग्रेटर देन 0. सी है ना, ऑल वैल्यू. बट इन केस ऑफ हियर इज आल्सो गिवन नेगेटिव वैल्यू. नेगेटिव वैल्यू मीन्स क्या है कि लेस देन 0. ओके, लेस देन 0 मीन्स क्या है, तो दिस ऑल बिहेव्स लाइक ए व्हाट, ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. दिस ऑल एक्ट्स एज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड. Ni2 प्लस है ना, गिवन देयर जिंक Ni. तो ऑल दिस बिहेव्स लाइक ए विच, ऑक्सीडाइज्ड, बिकॉज इट्स इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल इज क्या, लेस देन 0. 0 से क्या है, लेस देन है, इसी है ना, नेगेटिव है वैल्यू. तो सो क्या होगा, ये कैसे बिहेव करेंगे, ऑल बिहेव्स लाइक ए, क्या करेंगे, ये ऑक्सीडाइज. ऑक्सीडाइज मीन्स एनोड. ये कैसे हैं सारे, ऑल बिहेव्स लाइक एनोड. एनोड मीन्स ऑक्सीडाइज है ये. अंडरस्टैंड? बट इन केस ऑफ द एबव केस, ऑल बिहेव्स लाइक क्या, ग्रेटर देन 0, देयर इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल ग्रेटर देन 0 मीन्स ऑल बिहेव्स लाइक ए व्हाट, कैथोड. कैथोड मीन्स इन अबाउट नो reduced. All these are reduced. Understand? So these are given in the table. Now you have no problem. Okay, so you can choose easily way कि those who are greater than 0 value electrode potential, then be taken as what, taken as the reduction. Understand? And which less than negative value, sorry, less than the 0 value, okay, that is negative potential, negative given there, less than 0, all value are क्या, less than 0, that we taken as a what, anode. Anode means oxidized, oxidation occur. Understand? Okay, I hope you all are understand.